Hey, Dave with Master German Odor Removal. I'm here with my piggy friend, and this is my Turo. No, this is smoked weed in it. We the host aired it out all day and put in a black ice little tree. Didn't do the job. It smelled so bad. I drove last night, got in late night from Raleigh down to where I am, about a half hour, and I had to leave all the windows open because it just smelled so bad. I wasn't able to do any business meetings in this car. We took my anyways, we used a different car. So I've got the go-ahead from my host to remove the odors. He didn't know that he was running to a professional odor remover guy, but that's a good news situation for him. I put together a DIY kit for dealers because what I do, the price range anywhere from $250 to $495, $250 to $495, depending on where in the states you are, and that's a steep price to pay for some people. It's not if you're saving $2,000 on your car and you're a dealer, you know, and then you pay $250 to get the odors removed, you're ahead. But if you're a Turo host and you're getting $250 from your renter, well, then you don't want to give it all up to me, and that doesn't accommodate you for your time. So I came up with a DIY kit for my dealerships that I support, so they don't have to pay my labor anymore. They can just do what I do. And I've realized that I've rented twice from Turo, and both have been really stinky. So this one smelled like marijuana. My other one was an awesome car, but it just was terrible of ozone. And the ozone is just toxic stuff, and I couldn't breathe in it. I got a headache. So DIY kit for Turo owners. We have a small, regular, and double XL. I would recommend the small for every use. It just clears out all the bacteria and everything. And then this is our regular kit. A regular kit would work if somebody's just rented it for a week and it was smoky. And then our double XL is if you bought a car that was smoke damaged. So here we go. We ran it. We let the gas go. You let it go for 20 minutes, and then you without the car running, but set your air conditioning to recirculate. Put your seatbelt out, right? Because when they smoke weed, there's usually a seatbelt on, because all weed smokers are great. Safety first. And then we ran it for 20 minutes on recirculate, full fan, all the way cold, and you can see up in there, right there, it says AC on. So, and here it is. Let me turn this off so you can hear. This is our accelerator pump. It comes with our DIY kit. Our DIY kit has 4 tablets in it. I guess we can make it whatever you want. I think for Turo, we'll probably make a bigger kit. If you're a Turo owner, let me know. And then you can see, so instead of paying for a custom weight that disintegrates, we use a stainless nut, right? And that's it. So when you're done with our DIY kit, our regular, this is what you have. Now, the byproducts of what we do, cloudy water, it'll settle if we let it. The byproducts are H2O and NaCl. And if you remember from chemistry class, NaCl is table salt. So I'm trying to see it at the bottom. So anyways, that's our byproduct. This is food contact surface safe. It is non-toxic. I mean, don't put this on your fries, right? Because yuck, but anyways, I'm not worried about it. The only thing it would do is leave a little salty residue. So let me show you that. And a little bit of salt in the bottom, right? So we'll just put the lid on. I just rinse it out. And then if you let that dry, you might see a little bit of salt. But, no, there it is. There it is. Are we focused at all? Sorry, guys. I am not used to this humidity. So there it is. We have a little bit of salty residue. And then mine bubbled over, which is unusual. But that's why we do it in the cup holder or a bigger bucket. Just take a rag. I just found my brother-in-law's, just an old rag. It didn't smell bad. It was just ugly. And wipe it out. So there you have it. That is the DIY odor removal. This is part 3 of 3. I can't get in there very well. I imagine that comes out. Yeah. Holy schmolies. Well, it's not my car. I don't know how to take that out. But you can tell there's been stuff in there before me. There they go. All right, there it is. DIY odor removal kit. MassGermanOdorRemoval.com. Give us a call. We will send you out your very own DIY odor removal kit.